Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to recover permanently deleted any file on Canva. So guys, this is a simple process, and open your Canva design on your device, and after that go your design you want to recover. For example, this one I do this option move to trash. As you can see here, guys, if you want to recover this file, go to trash here, and from here say this one, guys, read this option on not any design of trash. It can be found here. You will have 30 days to restore them before they automatically deleted from trash. What you have to do, guys, right here, this three dot here, and click restore, and you will design and move to your project easily without any problem. This is this operation, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching.